Hi, Dad.
What do I want now? What? What do I want now?
Hi.
Daddy, to be repaired.
How are you?
Daddy, to be repaired.
What are you doing
I fell
I had to
down
talk
and
to you.
broke.
here? You know little girls are not, they do not belong in pool halls.
Daddy,
I know. I wanted
Perhaps
to tell you what my
have
plans were
some
for after
glue.
graduation.
Make it
maybe
fast.
claps will do.
What do you want?
You're not listening.
I want to go to acting school.
Daddy, you're not
I want to
listening.
be an actress. You know that, Dad.
Oh,
You know I don't approve.
you're broken too. Now what do we do?
I think it's disgusting.
You're broken too.
All actresses are tramps.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy,
Why can't you be like other little
Daddy,
girls?
you're broken too.
Why would you want to leave?
Now what do we do?
What do we do?
What do I
What
want
kind
now?
of life? What are you talking about?
Be repaired.
Why does being an actress also mean I have to be a tramp?
Be repaired.
Why can't you just accept me, Dad? I'm good. I really am. And I love to
I
act.
need to go.
Why do you have to make it so
Get
dirty?
repaired. I fell down and broke
What do you want now?
into pieces. Daddy,
What do you want
you
now?
have some glue.
You
Maybe
Nothing
claps
but a
will do. You're not listening.
listen there. What do you
Oh,
want now?
you're not listening. Daddy, you're broken too. You're broken too.
You're broken.
Now what do we do? Now?
You're just broken.
What do we do? What?
What are you gonna do?
What do I want now? Daddy, to be repaired. Daddy, to be repaired. I fell down and broke into little pieces, Daddy. Perhaps you have some glue. Maybe claps will do. You're not listening, Daddy. You're not listening. Oh, you're broken too. Now what do we do? You're broken too. Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.